BCC 2021. How are you all? I know, guys, you are very excited. Trust me, I'm equally excited as you are. So, let me tell you a little bit about myself and my journey so far. I'm Shalu Tyagi, referred into this beautiful business by none other than my own elder sister, AVP Yashu. Basically, I'm a hot zone sign up. By profession, I'm a postgraduate dental surgeon. Since childhood, I always wanted to become a dental surgeon. That is the reason, after pursuing my graduation, I opted for my post graduation. And goal and aim was to help as many people as possible, and of course to become successful also at the same time. Finally, after doing my education of 8 years, I became full-fledged postgraduate dental surgeon. When I was in my post-graduation final year, at that point of time, I came to know that my sister is into some kind of business. So I was completely clueless what exactly was the business, and I was least bothered also, least interested also in her business. But later on, I came to know about this business little bit, so I was damn negative about the business without knowing about the business. So off and on, I used to call my dad so that he can keep an eye on them, because I was not very sure of their business. I used to judge Yashu and Brijesh Bhai big time, and I literally used to imagine that after some time they are going to regret about their decision of being part of this business, but nothing such happened. And I still remember very clearly that Yashu used to keep tickets in every event for me, but every time at the last moment I used to say no by stating one or the other reason. So I observed them completely for a span of 1.5 years, and then after seeing their success, after seeing their growth, and by the continuous follow-up made by my own father, yes, my father is also a hot zone sign-up in our business, and by the continuous follow-up done by Yashu as well, finally I took a decision in my mind that yes, I want to do this business. Then one fine day, I called my sister Yashu and I told her that I want to become part of your business. I want to know about this business. And then she arranged a meeting. In that meeting, I had one major realization. The major realization was that in spite of working so hard in my life, in spite of giving my 8 years into education, I was still not ready with the money that was asked in that meeting. And then I took a decision that even if I can give my 3 to 4 hours on a daily basis to this business project, nothing could be better. That will be an additional boost to my finances. And then I informed Suresh about this business that I really want to become part of it. But he was very negative. He didn't want me to become part of this business. Although I tried my level best to convince him, but all in vain. He didn't understood. And the more he said no to me, the more rigid and adamant I become to do this business. I told Suresh not to do this business, but at least support me in my decision, because ultimately I took this decision for my family only. And looking at my seriousness towards the business, he also became curious to know about this business. And slowly and gradually, he too became super positive, and he also started working with me. When I started sharing this business project with my near and dear ones, most of the time I got rejections. I got no, clearly stating one or the other reason. Instead, people used to tell me, you are a doctor, this kind of business does not suit you. At that point of time, I literally used to think whether I have made the right decision or wrong decision. Every time whenever I got these rejections, I literally used to think that I really need to put in lots of effort. I really need to change myself. So these rejections, they serve as an opportunity to upgrade myself. In 2013, I had passport, I didn't had money. Everything was done just in a span of 3 to 4 days, and we landed to Malaysia. The moment I landed into the arena of VCon, I was like, oh my goodness, this is beyond imagination. And I can still feel that goose flesh which used to happen in that year. I can still feel that while sharing. I was completely mesmerized by everything there. I felt the heart of founders, I felt the heart of company, and I thanked God from the bottom of my heart that I have got the best platform under the best guidance. Finally, I took the decision to become damn serious, and I was all set, all prepared to take this business to the next level. One of the major click which I had in that VCon is from this session of none other than VP Dona. When I heard her story, when I heard her journey, I was like, if she can do it so good being a female, I can also do it. All my questions and queries, whatever little I had, they were answered by founders themselves. Till now, I have not missed even a single VCon. And after every week on, my energy, my confidence, my conviction goes up. And finally, I took the decision to become full-timer in the business as soon as possible. I used to work 9 to 4 as a senior lecturer in one of the private colleges in Meerut, and from 5 o'clock sharp, every single day, I used to carry out my association till early morning. I followed this schedule continuously, religiously for almost 6 months. And as we say, hard work pays off. One fine day, our upline told us to become full-timer. Then my husband became full-timer in just 6 months and I in 8 months. I always wanted to become a postgraduate dental surgeon. There was never ever a plan. It was more of a universe guiding me towards this beautiful platform. And let me tell you, this journey has never been easy. But every time, whenever I was stuck in a particular situation, every time I got the solutions from my uplines. And I can still recall one of the incidents when I was building my Jaipur market. A number of times it has happened that nobody used to come to association. I literally used to feel so bad and sad about the situation and used to call my upline. Then my upline told me, even if one person is coming to the association, that is also absolutely fine. Just focus on that one person. And we all know that there is somebody who is constantly keeping a watch on our back, and that is God Himself. We all are blessed to be part of this beautiful industry, which is 23 years old. This business has not only given me money, but has made me a better person. It has taught me to think beyond money. Thank you all my uplines in believing me. Thank you all my people for trusting me. I would also like to thank one of the special person in my life, my husband Suresh. Thank you so much, Suresh, for being a part of this beautiful journey. One of the biggest reasons of becoming a doctor is to help as many people as possible. But practically that was not possible because it has increased my working time, and from the comfort of my house, now I can contribute in so many lives, I can't tell you. Being a doctor and a homemaker, I too had long working hours. But it's all about aligning your priorities with respect to your goals. This is what I have learned from my uplines, and this is what I have been doing in this pandemic time. Now I can proudly say that our business is truly, truly limitless. Thank you so much.
Well, it feels like